Hello friends, first of all I wish you all a very happy new year from Team Paul and Ball. Today I am very excited to announce the release of our new product, which is an addition in the robot pool cleaners. The new product is a BWT robot pool cleaner.
BWT robot is made in Israel by Incorporation Robotics Limited. We collaborated for Middle East and Southeast Asia sales. It's a very powerful machine and meets the requirements of tough Indian conditions.
BWT, the new robotic pool cleaners, offer better economy when it comes to price-sensitive market segment of India. This product is now available and ready to be shipped through our channel partners or directly through us. We look forward to welcoming your inquiries and we look forward to doing business with you.
Happy New Year with BWT. Stay tuned for a short video.
BWT robots for simply perfect pools. BWT robots feature the strongest suction on the market. BWT robots are fitted with 2 ultra-fine filtration cartridges. With their PVA brushes and wheels, BWT robots easily navigate any type of surface. Optimizes the robot's cleaning cycle. Thanks to its powerful suction and fast scan rate, the cleaning cycle is short. BWT robots are perfect for beautiful pools of any shape or size. Finished with liners, reinforced membranes or tiles, even polyester pools. The robotic pool cleaner features an adjustable handle. This robot cleans the pool floor, the walls and the waterline. Fitted with a long cable that features an anti-tangle swivel. BWT robots are extremely reliable thanks to a hard-wearing gear transmission, dual motorization for precision travel, and a powerful pump to pick up debris. Take control at any time to direct your robot or let it run alone. Lounge poolside while your robot does all the work. Fast and rapid cleaning. BWT has created 3 robotic pool cleaners in this range for simply perfect pools.